Hi, welcome to the dASH Xplorer tutorial. dASH Xplorer is the app that you will use to generate 3D navigational maps for your robot. So without further ado, let's get started. First, log into dASH Xplorer with a username and account, and you will be presented with the dASH Xplorer screen. So once you've logged in, click on Dashpack Manager. Your Dashpack device will be listed in the Dashpack list. Select it, and you'll be presented with a list of Dashpack recordings on your device. Select the recording you want, and then click Download. We recommend you plugging in your Ethernet cable or LAN cable to the device so that you can use the Ethernet option for downloading. It's a lot quicker than the regular Wi-Fi option. Once downloaded, you can now start generating the navigational map for your robot. With the map downloaded, click on Generate to begin generating the 3D navigational map for your robots. You can see that as it's generating, you can pan around the screen and look at the map as it's getting built or reconstructed in 3 dimensions. So this will take a while, but it's still generated in what we call faster than real time. Essentially, if it took you some number of minutes to walk the area, it should take you 2 or 3 times the speed to regenerate or reconstruct the 3D navigational map. With the navigational map fully constructed, you can then go ahead and upload the data all the way to the cloud or onto your robot so you can begin your autonomy operations. Right, so with the map generation finished, you click on Map Editor to take you to the final map, which you can visualize and pan on screen. And when you're happy with it, you can go ahead and export the map either to disk or upload it to the cloud backend for your robots. If you click on Export Nav Map, this will allow you to export the current map into a folder of your choice, and it will export you a PCD file that's compatible with any autonomous robot navigation stack, and also a 2D map that you can use for any kind of 2D autonomous purpose. You can also upload it to the cloud backend through our dASH fleet management system so that you can disseminate this map to all your robots. Thanks for watching.